Welcome back to Europe House Tour. In today's video, we're heading to Sicily in southern Italy to look at two homes. Both are set in historic villages with open views toward the sea, and both come with prices starting at just 25,000 euros, far below what most of us usually imagine when we think about a sea view property in Europe. The first home in Savoca is listed at 25,000 euros. The second one in Calatabiano is 28,000 euros. And those two numbers alone are already enough to make a lot of people stop and look a little longer. But what makes today's video more interesting is that these two homes are not cheap in the same way. The one in Savoca feels easier to approach on the surface. It is a small detached house with sea views in a quiet setting and only around 1 kilometer from the coast near Santa Teresa di Riva. The one in Calatabiano opens up a completely different kind of possibility. It is a mansarda with panoramic sea views, covered parking, and only about 10 minutes from San Marco Beach and Giardini Naxos. And because of that, if you think a little more seriously about the long term, this second home may be the one that makes you pause and think a bit longer. Not because it is the easiest option, but because it opens the door to a very different kind of future. And beyond the numbers, have you ever felt that what you really need right now is no longer somewhere glamorous, but simply somewhere that makes life easier to breathe in? Not a place you visit for a few days and then leave behind, only to return to the same old rhythm, rising living costs, and that constant feeling of having to calculate every next step just to keep things steady. But a place where you can slow down a little, feel a little less pressure, and look at the rest of your life with a lighter mind. For many people who watch videos like this, especially those who have lived long enough to know what is truly worth holding on to, what they are looking for is no longer sparkle or short-lived excitement. They want stability, peace of mind, a long-term plan they can actually see clearly, manage realistically, and maintain without having to strain themselves just to keep it alive. So take your time with this video. There is no pressure here. There is no decision you need to make today. If you find videos like this helpful, give us a like and subscribe. Your support genuinely helps keep us going and gives us more energy to keep bringing you better videos and more interesting homes in the journeys ahead. And now, let's begin today's journey.
Savoca is a small historic village set on the hills of the Peloritani-Ionici area in Sicily, where life moves in a way that feels far more natural and gentle than in larger cities. People here do not live by packed schedules or constant busyness. They live with the seasons, the daylight, and simple everyday routines. A morning here might be nothing more than a short walk along a quiet road, hearing the wind move through the trees, and feeling very clearly that nature is still close. This area does not try to become a loud tourist hotspot, and that is exactly what makes so many people want to come back, especially when you can see the sea in the distance, with green valleys all around you, and that fresh air that belongs to Sicily's coastal hills. And right in that peaceful setting, in the Botta area of Savoca, there is a detached house listed at a price that makes people stop for a moment. The asking price is just 25,000 euros for a home of 70 square meters. This is a 2-level detached house with 4 rooms and 1 bathroom. The upper floor is already in fairly good condition, with the entrance, kitchen, and bathroom, while the lower floor is still in a rustic state, which means it would need renovation before it could be fully used. The house has sea views, a private courtyard, and open views toward the surrounding green landscape. That outdoor space gives the place a light, open feeling and keeps it closely connected to nature, even without owning a full garden. In terms of location and daily convenience, the property sits in a quiet area but still feels very workable for everyday life. Santa Teresa di Riva beach is only about 6 minutes away by car. The Deco supermarket and other shops are at a similar distance in Santa Teresa di Riva. There is a pharmacy right in Savoca. Local schools are nearby, and for larger medical services, Taormina is around 30 to 40 minutes away. If you prefer train travel, Santa Teresa di Riva station is also only about 6 minutes by car. The area is close to Barvitelli and the Church of San Nicolò, places that are already familiar to many people who love Sicily. But more than that, what really matters is the feeling that you could slow down here, walk through the village, or take a short drive to the sea without dealing with crowds. From a financial point of view, 25,000 euros works out to only 357 euros per square meter. Compared with the wider average in Messina province, which is currently around 1,001 euros per square meter, that is significantly lower. Even compared with the average price in Savoca itself, around 686 euros per square meter, this home still sits well below the market. With such a low entry price, it becomes a very interesting option for anyone looking for a coastal second home or a long-term property to hold, especially if you like the idea of an independent space with sea views without spending too much from the start. Of course, at this price, there are also things that need to be said honestly. The house is listed as needing renovation, especially because the lower floor is still rustic. On top of that, you cannot park directly at the front door. You would need to leave the car about 100 meters away and walk a short distance, which may take a bit more planning in daily life, especially if you are carrying luggage, groceries, or building materials. These are all things that can be managed if you approach the renovation step by step, and compared with a very low asking price, they may feel far easier to accept than buying a finished home at 2 or 3 times the cost. And maybe there is one small question worth sitting with for a moment. When you look at a detached sea view house in Sicily for just 25,000 euros, are those current limitations something you would be willing to accept in exchange for the chance to own a quiet, private place close to the sea? Or do those details make you feel that this is not quite the right fit for where you are in life right now?
Calatabiano is a peaceful little town along Sicily's Costa Catanese, where life still feels calm and closely tied to the Mediterranean landscape. People here do not live by packed schedules or constant busyness. Life moves with the seasons, the warm sunlight, and the sound of the sea somewhere in the distance. A morning here might begin with a coffee while looking out toward the water, or with a slow walk down the hillside roads leading toward the beach. This is not the kind of place trying to become a loud tourist hotspot, and that is exactly what makes it so appealing. The calm feels real. And it feels even more special when you realize that nearby you have beautiful places like San Marco Beach, the Castello di San Marco resort area, and Giardini Naxos, one of those coastal towns that feels lively but still keeps the older Sicilian character. And right in that quiet coastal setting, on Via Vittorio Veneto, there is a mansarda listed at a price that makes a lot of people stop and look twice. The asking price is just 28,000 euros for a third-floor attic apartment with a total commercial area of 85 square meters, or about 75 square meters of usable living space. It offers an impressive panoramic sea view with 3 main functional areas and 1 bathroom. The current condition is described as buono stato, meaning fairly good, so this is not the kind of place that would immediately force you into a major renovation just to start using it. One very practical bonus is the covered parking space, which matters a lot for anyone thinking about a second home near the coast. When it comes to location and daily convenience, the property offers a very balanced setup. In about 10 minutes by car, you can reach the beautiful San Marco Beach. Giardini Naxos, with its mix of beach life, archaeology, and holiday atmosphere, is also only around 10 minutes away. The Sisa supermarket is right on Via Vittorio Veneto, which makes daily shopping easy. Calatabiano train station is about a 14-minute walk away, and if you need to travel farther, Catania Airport is only around 50 minutes by car. The main hospital in Taormina is also within easy reach. So this is the kind of location that works very well for someone who wants to stay close to the sea and close to tourist areas, while still having privacy in a quieter village setting. From a financial point of view, 28,000 euros works out to only about 329 euros per square meter. Compared with the current average in Calatabiano, around 649 euros per square meter, and the wider average in Catania province, around 1,138 euros per square meter, this is significantly lower. That creates a very clear gap and gives the property a meaningful financial advantage for anyone looking for a sea view second home or a holiday property with a manageable entry cost, especially for retirement use or long-term value holding. Of course, with a price this attractive, there are still things that need to be seen honestly. Because this is a mansarda on the 3rd floor with no elevator, daily access and moving furniture in or out will require good mobility and some planning. On top of that, attic-type properties often come with important questions around ceiling height, insulation, ventilation, and legal documentation. The roof condition and thermal insulation would need to be checked carefully, especially to make sure the apartment stays comfortable during Sicily's very hot summers. These are not small issues, but compared with the very affordable asking price, they become much easier to manage if you go in with a clear renovation plan and the right local advice from a lawyer and a technical professional. And maybe there is one simple question worth sitting with for a moment. When you look at a sea view mansarda with panoramic views, private parking, and a location just 10 minutes from the beach in Sicily for only 28,000 euros, do those practical and legal challenges still feel like something you would be willing to accept? Or are you looking for something easier and more straightforward at this stage of your life? We've just gone through today's journey in Sicily, where 2 small homes with sea-facing views quietly opened up the idea of a different kind of life. One feels like a peaceful little space on a hillside where sea air moves through a private courtyard. The other lifts you a little higher with a wide panoramic view from the mansarda level and a covered parking space right below. The layouts are different, and so are the challenges, but both leave behind the same feeling. Choices like these still exist, and they make it possible to seriously think about changing your pace of life without taking on overwhelming debt or financial pressure. And maybe the most important thing after watching a video like this is not trying to decide which one is cheaper. Both are already priced low enough to make people stop and look a little longer. The real question is this: what are you actually buying when you choose a home like this? Some people are looking for a place they can come back to now and then, something simple, manageable, and enough to rest in. Others want a space where they can truly slow down, knowing that quiet often comes with responsibility. They are willing to build comfort gradually, with patience and a plan of their own. For many of you, hearing prices like 25 or 28,000 euros may still sound hard to believe. But in Sicily, especially in small hill towns and coastal villages like Savoca or Calatabiano, prices like these are still real. The market here has not been pushed up the same way by strong speculation. Many homes still need buyers with a longer-term view, and local life remains more grounded, more connected to nature, and less shaped by the polished image of major tourist centers. Owning a home like this can also mean monthly living costs that stay relatively manageable. Property taxes are usually low, and utilities and maintenance are often far less stressful than in many other parts of Europe. That creates the possibility of a more sustainable way of living, especially for retirement or for building a second home without carrying too much weight on your shoulders. In that sense, it can be a real chance to have a place to escape to without having to overextend yourself. Of course, we should also be honest and say that neither of today's homes is perfect. One asks you to deal with renovation on the lower floor and accept a short walk from where you park. The other is a mansarda on the third floor with no elevator, along with the usual questions around legal details and insulation. Those limits are real, but what gives these homes value is that they offer the chance to shape a long-term life at your own pace, instead of just giving you something that looks good on paper. Try to picture a morning where you wake up, make a cup of coffee, open the door, and look out toward the sea in the distance or across a green valley with no need to rush anywhere. Later in the day, maybe you walk through the old town, say hello to neighbors, or take a short drive to the beach to watch the sun go down. Life does not need to be dramatic. It only needs to feel lighter, calmer, and a little more intentional. And what about you? Out of the two homes we looked at today in Sicily, which one made you stop and think a little longer, and why? What are you really looking for in a second home or a future place to retire? If you want, leave a comment and share your thoughts. We always read them, and we really do appreciate every perspective you share. Thank you for staying with us all the way to the end of the video. If these slower, more honest perspectives feel useful to you, consider subscribing to the channel. That support helps us keep going and keep bringing you more journeys through homes across Europe. No rush, no exaggerated promises. Just trying to see things more clearly, so better decisions become a little easier. See you in the next video.